So how many decisions do you think you make in any day? A lot, right?
35,000.
35,000. So you notice you get not just a Rosie in your pocket today, you get a Paul in your pocket. So if you don't know him, Paul Epstein is amazing. His new book just came out, bestseller already. Rock on. So you're not going to hear from me. You're going to hear from Paul. Paul, talk to us about how to make better decisions faster.
Well, we've all struggled with many battles against decision. You think about paralysis, you think about fatigue, you think about overwhelm, and just yet another decision. And then we make the worst decision of them all, which is indecision.
Yeah.
Think about those critical forks in the road, the ones with more stakes and higher value and bigger consequence, and then we freeze and we get stuck. And then you tack on the daily stress and anxiety of life. It's no wonder that decision making is one of the more challenging things. So in my 15 years of the NFL and NBA as an executive, I saw how every single play of a sporting event is a decision. Every single moment of our life is a decision. Yeah, there's the 35,000, but there's a critical few. I call them our MVDs. So in sports, we have MVPs, most valuable players. This is for your most valuable decisions. And if it was just an inspiring playbook, we wouldn't do much different on Monday morning. So it's very heavy on application and how. So here's the quick masterclass, 30 to 60 seconds. I call it the head, heart, hands equation. So head is your mindset. Heart is your authenticity. And hands are action. The equation is head plus heart equals hands. In other words, when deciding whether to use your hands, whether to take action, 2 checkpoints, head and heart. Head, do I think it's a good idea? Heart, do I feel it's a good idea? And just like when you're pulling up to an intersection and you're driving, you know exactly what to do. Green is go, yellow is assess, red is stop. That's how the head, heart, hands equation works. So the next time you're making an MVD, you're making a very valuable decision, check in with your head and heart, and when they're both on board, it's a green light. You got to take action.
Yeah, 100%.
When neither is on board, no head, no heart, red light,
Hard
no
stop.
action. Hard stop.
Hard
U-turn.
stop.
U-turn. Yes. And yellow lights, when one of the two is on board, we got to solve for the gap. So I wrote the book to fill our life with more green lights.
Notice it's tabbed. This is how I read.
This is how Rosie rolls.
This is how I roll.
Rosie
So
rolls.
here's the deal. My invitation and challenge for you this week is first, go get his book if you haven't. Second, practice head, heart, hands, MVD, and let us know what you learn. And remember, here's the deal. When you get better at making decisions faster, you can let more of your sparkle shine.